Hi, how you doing? Going through a transition. We all are going through a huge transition. And what can help us during this transition? Can resistance help us? Can it be a guide? Well, transitions happen sometimes from our own choosing. We choose it and we say, hey, I want to change my job, I want to change my career, and I have to change my lifestyle for whatever reason. That's our choosing. And sometimes life throws a curveball. COVID-19, for example, or sometimes there is a sickness which is knocking on our doors, obesity, and we are forced to make a change. And we have to go through this transition. Now, when we are going through this transition and we decide that we want to achieve it, what comes up first? Resistance arises. And resistance can take any form or shape. My name is Harry Alexander, and I help people because I'm passionate about change and transition. I help them to navigate successfully from one level to the next level. So today it's all about resistance. Can resistance really help us? When you think of resistance, what comes to mind? You have decided to go through a change, and the first thing that you find is, oh, there's a lot of resistance. I want to lose weight, but I can't wake up in the morning. Who's going to go to the gym? I have to give up eating carbs. Resistance. And sometimes it takes form and shape of well-meaning people, friends and family. They come and say, "Arey, don't worry, eat this. Why you want to go today? Take a break." Before we get to the answers of how we can manage resistance and whether resistance can really guide us, let's look at the salmon, the fish. Now, these salmon are known to swim upstream against the current to their spawning ground. Unbelievable. They defy gravity. They defy the laws of physics and they swim upstream against the current, which is phenomenal. They even take leaps at waterfalls. You can look them up on videos on YouTube. It is fascinating to watch them in action. So how do they do it? Apparently, they seek out where the resistance of the current is highest and enter it, and that propels them upwards. Amazing, isn't it? Do you think we can use the same principle in our lives? Can we navigate using resistance? Yes, resistance can be our guide. If we follow all the big and the small resistance that is arising in whatever form, unable to wake up in the morning, unable to find time, not able to eat the right food, if you observe these resistances, these temptations, and you follow them as though you are, using them as a guide, and you unearth them, you realize that they are taking you step by step towards your success. They help you transition successfully. So what do you have to do? For all the resistance that has arisen during your transition phase, look at it mindfully and use them as your guide. And this way you will come up on the other side and reach there successfully. May the force be with you. All the best, and keep rocking. Use resistance to be your guide. Bye for now.